Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a detailed tutorial on ViewStat, a tool designed to give you in-depth analytics for YouTube channels. Whether you're a creator looking to grow your channel or just someone curious about YouTube stats, this video will guide you through the features of ViewStat and show you how to use it effectively. Let's get started. For those unfamiliar with ViewStat, it's a platform that provides comprehensive data about any YouTube channel. For example, if you want to look up a specific channel like Dr. Mike, you simply search for it on ViewStat. Once you find the channel, you're presented with a variety of analytics, such as total views, subscriber growth, and even revenue estimates. Let's take a closer look at how this works. When you search for a channel, you can see an overview of their recent activity. For instance, you might notice a significant spike in subscribers on a particular date, like the 2nd of December to the 3rd of December. These insights help you understand the trends and patterns of a channel's growth. You can also click on the views to check the amount of total views the channel has got. On the right side, you have different options like 7 days, 28 days, 3 months, 1 year, and maximum. You can choose any one of these to see the relative data. You'll also find details about when videos were uploaded, how views changed over time, and the total views for the channel. If you scroll down, you will see a long list of information listed for each day on how much this channel has gained subs or views. You can view the subs changed, total subs, total views, and the revenue it generated. In addition to this, ViewStat provides insights into monthly viewers for the selected channel. This information is especially useful for tracking long-term performance. On the right side, you have a section for long versus short videos too. You can see the estimated data of last 90 days on how many total views are from long videos and short videos. On top, you have the most recent video from the channel. You can also check out its analytics, rank, and total views. The green arrows here indicate that this video is still performing well. You can also explore specific video analytics by clicking on the Videos tab. This section lists all the videos from the channel, including whether they are long-form content or shorts. It even provides projections for future views based on the channel's current growth trends. For creators or researchers interested in finding similar channels, ViewStat offers a Similar Channels feature. By clicking on this option, you'll get a list of channels with content or audiences similar to the one you're analyzing. The similarity score makes it easy to identify closely related channels, while other data like recent uploads, subscribers, and views provide additional context. For instance, you might find a channel named Dr. ER with its similarity score displayed and recent statistics like estimated revenue or views for comparison. Another interesting feature of ViewStat is the ability to compare two channels. Let's say you want to compare channels like JT Casey and Mr. Who's the Boss. With ViewStat's Compare tool, you can view side-by-side analytics such as daily views, subscriber growth, and more. The tool uses graphs to display differences between the channels over time, making it easy to spot trends and benchmarks. If you prefer real-time stats, ViewStat offers a live subscriber count for popular creators like Mr. Beast. You can track his subscriber growth moment by moment, which is especially exciting during milestones or major events. There's also an option to explore additional features, such as their Chrome extension or the thumbnail game to decide which video has better thumbnails. When you log into ViewStat using your Google account, you gain access to even more tools through their dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll find options like alerts, outliners, thumbnail search, A/B testing, and collections. Many of these advanced features, such as video alerts or thumbnail inspiration, are unlocked with a pro account. For instance, the Top Lists section provides rankings for the top channels based on subscribers, views, or recent subscriber gains. You can see detailed lists, such as the channels with the most subscribers. Currently, Mr. Beast leads with over 335 million subscribers, followed by other channels like Faktu Kamal and Cristanio and more. These stats help put things into perspective and highlight the different types of content dominating YouTube. You can also filter the data based on timeframes, such as the last 7 days, last month, or even the past year. This feature is especially useful for spotting recent trends or identifying breakout videos. For example, you can find the top 50 videos globally from yesterday or the past week. If you're looking for non-music content, there's a filter to exclude music channels, allowing you to focus on specific categories. Another helpful feature is the ability to analyze individual videos with advanced filters. For instance, in the past month, a video by a company named Vivo received over 1 million views. These insights can inspire your own video strategy or help you understand what types of content are currently resonating with audiences. If you want to explore ViewStats premium features, upgrading to the Pro version unlocks additional tools designed to enhance your YouTube strategy. The Pro plan includes features like trending video identification, outliers for inspiration, thumbnail ideation, video alerts, A/B testing, and personal collections. These tools can help creators improve their video performance by testing different concepts and optimizing thumbnails to attract more clicks. The Pro version is available at $50 per month, and for the yearly plan, it is $480 per year. By opting for the yearly plan, you can save up to 20%. It's a platform built by creators for creators, making it user-friendly and highly practical. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.